हाउ टू मास्टर द आर्ट ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चन मुझे लोग पूछते हैं वो है मैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कैसे करूं। मुझे बहुत डर लगता है स्टेज पे जाने से, ये डर को मैं ओवरकम कैसे करूं। और मैं उनको सिर्फ ये पूछता हूं डर क्यों लगता है। एंड पीपल आंसर दैट हे व्हाट इफ पीपल वुड लाफ एट मी, व्हाट इफ आई कमिट मिस्टेक। एंड दीज आर द कॉमन रीजंस दैट पीपल गिव टू मी व्हेन आई आस्क देम द रिवर्स क्वेश्चन। तो इस वीडियो में मैंने ये कवर किया है कि आप ये डर पे कैसे काबू पा सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट आपको डर पे काबू पाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। जो मैं इस वीडियो में शेयर करूंगा अगर वो आप फॉलो करोगे तो आपका डर हमेशा के लिए पब्लिक स्पीकिंग से चला जाएगा। क्या यह सही है? नहीं, डर कहीं नहीं जाएगा, पर आप उस काबिल बन जाओगे कि इस डर को आप फेस कर पाओगे। दोस्तों, अगर आप यहां पे नए हो, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर हरित भट्ट है। आई एम अ वेटनरियन who is also coaching professionals to build their communication skills and building digital wealth. I'm a working professionals who is helping working professionals to excel in their life, who think that by just doing this job will not make the fortune for them, so that they need to upgrade their skills. And so I'm helping such kind of professionals. So if you are someone, you can connect to me or follow me or join my community. The link is there in the description. And let's deep dive into this video of overcoming fear. I shall cover this topic in two parts. Number one is the mindset, the second is the skill set. You need a mindset to push yourself to the stage. If you will never push yourself to the stage, you will never be able to face the exact situation, and you will keep on making the thoughts and situations in your mind. लोगों की सिचुएशन देख के आप अपने माइंड में सिचुएशन बनाओगे, अरे उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ था, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हो सकता है, तो मैं स्टेज पे नहीं जाऊंगा। ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर माइंडसेट। हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? यू कैन चेक योर बिलीव्स अबाउट योरसेल्फ। क्या आप बोल सकते हो? अगर आप अपने आप को कमांड दे रहे हो कि नहीं यार, आई एम नॉट गुड इन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, मैं अच्छा नहीं बोल सकता, लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे, सो यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ for a negative situation. Instead, you need to give positive affirmations talk to yourself that, hey, I can do it, I will face the fear strongly, I am a powerful person, I am a powerful speaker. ये चीज लगती है छोटी, but it is very very powerful. It impacts you at a longer period of time. What you need to do is practice these things regularly. Okay, this will build a stronger mindset. Number two, the beliefs that you have, you need to shift those beliefs. Okay, these beliefs are coming from a past experiences or the things that you have read, maybe in newspaper, in a books, or you might have witnessed someone's failure in front of your eyes and you are thinking that मैं भी स्टेज पे जाके बोलूंगा तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होगा, and that's why you hesitate. and आपको भी शायद पता नहीं होगा कि आप इस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे हैं. This comes out of yourself subconsciously, and you try to resist the opportunities of public speaking. So what you need to do is, when you check on your beliefs, you need to take on the opportunities. Whenever the opportunity comes, maybe in the group of few friends, maybe in front of your colleagues, maybe you want to lead a group meeting at your office, just do it. Do not resist that opportunity. In fact, I want you to be opportunity grabber. Okay, whenever the opportunity comes for presenting a topic, just raise your hand or whatever you wanting to do and just grab that opportunity. Because अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे ना, तो आप कभी नहीं जान पाओगे कि आपकी क्या वीकनेसेस है, आपकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, और इस वजह से आप कभी आपके ख्यालों के पुलाव पकाते रहोगे और आप कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. सो ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटीज. नाउ लेट अस लुक into the skill set. When you have that opportunity, what skills you need to have so that you can face that fear with a strong mindset. Okay, number one is, whatever topic that you are going to deliver, structure the topic in the bullet points. Okay, of course you need to also maintain the 3-part structure, that is hook, body and conclusion. Okay, this you need to maintain. if अगर आपको hook, body, conclusion क्या है, you can check out my other videos, I have shared it in those. Okay, so you need to create a bullet points जो टॉपिक आप कवर करने वाले हो, जो टॉपिक पर आप बोलने वाले हो, यू नीड टू पुट इट दैट. इट इज नथिंग रॉन्ग टू राइट इन अ बुक और अ डायरी और टेक अ नोट. It's nothing wrong. So if you are getting that opportunity, just do it. Second you need to do is scripting. Scripting मतलब क्या होता है? When to elaborate the bullet points and script your talk. What you are going to speak, what you are going to tell, what example that you are going to give. Similarly, you will be able to script it. You know, if I tell you from my example, my story, I wanted to go. I was invited by a Rotary to deliver a talk, and they were all, you know, established members. They were seniors, almost they are, you know, senior citizens. They were settled in their life, and I was confused. What should I deliver so that can inspire them? तो मैंने टॉपिक में बुलेट पॉइंट बनाया, and I thought, what is the maximum requirement at that age? What they need? They do not need money. They already, their children are settled, okay? And what can do they do? So I took a topic. I chose a topic of, you know, connecting them to themselves, okay? Because at the age of 50s, 60s, people all are almost settled with their life, and they want to have that time for themselves, which they want to fulfill their wishes. So I too chose that topic, and I scripted it based on the bullet points. In each topic, what would I tell? I chose 8 bullet points, and I spoke for about 10 minutes on each bullet point. So I could that 80 minutes. I could, you know, contribute about 80 minutes in that talk, and that's how I scripted my thing. And the third thing that you need to do is rehearse in front of a mirror, rehearse in front of a friend, rehearse in front of yourself, okay? And if it is possible for you, record your video and then review it, okay? Not immediately. Put that video, recorded video, on your table for some times or few hours. After a few hours, you open that video, check it out, and identify how is your body language, how is your tonality, how is your facial expression, how is your energy, at what points you are losing that energy. When you are speaking something with energy, with that passion, the audience who is looking at you will connect to you, and that connection is very much important before you deliver the actual content. Because if you are not connected to the audience, no one is going to listen to the content. अगर आप भी अभी तक वीडियो देख रहे हो, please hit the subscribe button and support our goal of the 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. And thank you for watching this video, okay? So this is the thing that you need to do, rehearsal. These are the simple things that I have shared with you, and these things will definitely, when you are help you to overcome the fear. Why? Because when you have rehearsed, you are confident about the topic, the knowledge, the skills that you have. And when you build that mindset, that about positive belief of facing the fear, no matter what comes, you will do it. And it is always said that courage does not mean that you take actions in absence of fear, but courage is something that you take action despite of fear. And that is how you create that forward movement and success for your life. If you like this video, hit like and share it with the people whom this video can help, and of course subscribe to my channel and support our goal. And if you think that I can help you in some way, connect to me by joining my community, or you can DM me on my WhatsApp number, which is shared in the community. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and don't forget to love yourself and watch other videos if you want to grow in your professional career. Bye bye and take care.